up, YouTubers? I just broke the light bulb with my hand. But today we're going to be showing you how to stabilize an elliptical in your house on carpet. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, so as you can see, there's quite a bit of rocking motion on the front and back areas, and that's where we're going to be wanting to stabilize our elliptical. So what I've done is I went ahead and got a 4x8 sheet of plywood and had it cut down to my specs, but you're going to want to get a 3/4 inch thick or 1 inch thick sheet, and go ahead and measure the width of your actual elliptical, and go ahead and add a foot to the length as well. I'd say that would be a good measurement to have the piece cut. If you've got the space, I'd go ahead and use the whole 4x8 sheet. And then we went ahead and gave it a nice coat of paint. Alright, now let's slide it under and try out how it works. Alright, so we just slid the piece underneath. Now we're going to test it out. And there are some leveling little stoppers on the bottom that you can adjust.
Oh yeah, way more.
So now it's
way more.
Looks, I mean, it still has a little movement because it's on carpet, but it's a lot more stable. It's not rocking half as much. So this is an easy way to do it, and you can get this plywood for about $25 to $30 a sheet.
Yeah. You can get ours at Lowe's. You can get ours at Lowe's. But you
can get it at Lowe's or Home Depot. Alright guys, so this is how to stabilize your elliptical machine on carpet. Alright guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, check out my other DIY videos. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks for watching Jonny DIY, guys. Keep on doing it yourself. Take care.